Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove main rotating cleaning tool from iRobot Roomba. To do this, first we'll need to click on this green button right here and move it to the left like that, and then simply pull it up. This should release the entire cleaning tool, and now we can remove each individual part like this one and then this one. Now if you want to insert it back, align it with the hex on the right side like that. It should click each time you place it right. Okay, I'm struggling with that, but give it a few tries. Just like that. Now simply close the left hatch and push it in until you hear the click, and we've successfully replaced or cleaned our rotating tools. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.